kia UDA mwena wa kaunti ya Kisumu ni ciongererekete haria giikaro-ini na aandiki a mohoro wa obici-ini cia kiama makuru kana amwe a atongoria a kiama giki mwena uyu makoretwo makiorota minista wa ukinyaniria na mohoro niwe Eliud owallo niundu wa gukorwo akiandika andu kuuma mwahu wa uregani kiama-ini kia Uda gukirio giikaro-ini kiu muikariri giti kiama-ini giki mwena wa Kisumu niwe Profesa Osenya augite ati kiama giki ni meharirwo ko makirutithania wira hamwe.
These activities by members who claim to be sympathizers of UDA but who go around collecting money from headquarters and everywhere in the name of UDA and in the name of carrying out UDA activities should be condemned forthwith. And we tell them not to undermine UDA. We know their agenda.
Eliud has taken members of UDA not just in Kisumu County but in Luo Nyanza, genuine grassroots members, as nothing, as non-entities. And when the president asks him to recommend people for appointment, Eliud does pick ODM members to give them positions. I don't need to name them, you know them. We are aggrieved by this and are informing the president that he is known to be rewarding those who have worked with him. What has Luo Nyanza done?
Kufanya kazi na serikali na hatutaki mtu kuja kujiweka ati yeye ni mtu wa UDA kumbe amekuja kichini chini kuharibu vitu vya serikali.
Tugetigane na icio ciegie uteti wa kiama kia UDA na